How y'all doing? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make rice. It's really simple.
Turn on your burner
3 steps
to its highest position.
making perfect rice every time, anytime. We're gonna start with 2 cups of water, a pot any size, and make sure your fire is turned up as high as it can be. We're gonna have 2 cups of water in that pot.
2 cups of water.
And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of rice.
Add 1 cup of rice.
No extras, no butter, no nothing. We're gonna stir it up.
Use a spoon to spread your rice.
Simple. Wait for it. And now I'm just gonna let it boil. I can remember the time that I first started to cook. My first time, I remember back in the 70s when everybody had the glass cookware and they had glass ashtrays. I didn't know the difference. I was a kid. So nobody's watching me. I put one of the glass ashtrays on top of the fire, turned on the fire full blast. So I knew I was gonna make some popcorn, eggs. I don't know what the heck I was gonna make, but I was a little kid, so who knew? Who knew what I was planning to make? So anyway, I guess I was waiting for it to heat up, and pow! The glass explodes. And of course, the one adult that's supposed to be paying attention to me in the house runs in and asks me what I'm doing. I told him that I was cooking something. And back in those days, my parents were hippies, so who knows where they were. Short story, that's where I learned how to cook. And that's where I learned how to watch my pot. Just like we're gonna watch this pot until this rice is finished. It's a really simple step. All you have to do is do these 3 steps, and you'll have perfect rice every single time. It never fails. So if you're like me and you like to experiment, you'll go through this whole step on how to make this simple rice, and it'll be fluffy, just like the picture, just like the thumbnail. You'll be like, wow, I made that rice for the first time. And it might take 1 or 2 times. Some people are really good at trying something and doing it the first time. Other people, it may take 2 or 3 times. But wait till you taste this rice, and the rice with the gravy is so good. And this is just one of the steps right here. I'm just checking right here, making sure the fire's not on. And I'm going to put a top on this and let it steam for like 20 minutes.
Cover your pot for 20 minutes.
Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
So, that's how you do it. That's how you make perfect rice every time. It doesn't matter what kind of rice you use. You can use any kind of rice. This step works for every rice. I've experimented. I've done it. I've tried on rices that you couldn't read the instructions, so I just used this, and it worked. So every time, it doesn't matter. If you have a bag of rice and you need to make rice, just always remember 2 to 1. I love y'all. Devo.